What's up everybody, it's Jeremy from Weld Tec Designs, and today we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to be talking about leprechauns, except this one is really big. It's a big leprechaun and it's made by Coachman. And of course it got even bigger with the help of us at Weld Tec Designs. I'm gonna show you all the fun stuff we did. Now the first thing that you're going to notice on this little big leprechaun is this leprechaun wanted bigger shoes. We put a set of 235 85/16 tires on it, as well as blacked out the wheels. Now in order to fit a large tire like this on there, you're going to have to do a suspension package from Weld Tec Designs. We've done our extended radius arms on here, as well as the brackets. We've also added coils, of course. We want a set of shocks and modified I-beams. Well, this pot of gold wouldn't be quite complete without a steering stabilizer as well. And how about just some sway bar drop brackets? I have so much more to show you, but in order to do that, we're heading up to the very front of this thing to point out some obvious improvements. So the first thing that we're gonna notice is going to be this awesome new tube winch bumper. This is going to look amazing, as well as give you a lot of front end protection. Now what's going to be even better about this tube winch bumper is we've added the classic top hoop section on it as well to give you additional protection for your front end. Now what's great about any of our tube winch bumpers is you can add a bolt-on receiver if you want to be able to put gear, bicycles, or things of that nature on the front of your winch bumper. If you think that you're going to be putting more than 250 pounds on the front of your bumper, we definitely recommend you go with a heavy duty hitch mount like we've done on here, and that's completely welded onto the bumper. All right, so as we head to the back of this, we are again running that 235 85/16 tire. And now why we choose that tire is we don't want to have to run a wheel spacer between the dually rear wheels, and as you can see, these dualies are still going to have room between them and not rub, causing more damage to your RV. We've also added a set of valve stem extenders on this, making it really easy if you ever need to inflate or deflate tires. Well, now that's great and all, but how did we get these large tires on this? Well, we put a set of progressive springs on there, and with all of our off-grid kits, it's going to come with a set of progressive springs. Now what's great about this is going to be a couple things. All of the suspension lift is built into the spring. We add a military wrap to the front of this, making your spring pack even stronger. Now keep in mind that these springs are built to the weight of your RV, so you may be thinking, well, this thing weighs a lot more than my RV, or vice versa. That's the great thing about using Weld Tec Designs, is all of our spring packs are designed for your RV and the weight of your RV. That's really, really important to know that. That alone is going to help reduce the sway that you typically have in one of these Class C's. And keep in mind, here's the big thing. We're not adding sumo springs. We're not adding heavy duty sway bars. All of these things are not necessary when your suspension is done right. The last thing that we did add on the rear of this is a set of our Fox shocks. That's going to control the ride really, really good. That is a 2.0 gas pressured shock. I mean, this looks awesome. What do you guys think about this? Comment. That's what this comment section is for. What would you want to do? Pick one thing on here that you want to do on your RV. That's all I have for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video learning all about this leprechaun. I'm Jeremy from Weld Tec Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.